Hello friends, welcome back to my video tutorial. This is Lipsa again. So in my last video I have shared what is generics and how we can create a generic method and how we can use this generic method to replace the similar types of related methods to perform the same jobs. Clear? So today we will learn how we can create a generic class and how we can use it. Okay. So let's get started for this. So you can see this is a main class I have created. Inside this main class I have a main method. Okay. I have created two separate class like example 1 and example 2. Here in this class example 1 and example 2, these class have different parameters. Okay. And also store different value. See here example 1 have the integer parameters and store the integer value. And example 2 have the data type as string and it stores string value. Clear? So let me create the object for this class example 1 and example 2 inside my main method. Okay, and call the getValue method. Okay, you can see in example 1 we have a parameter like data which the integer type, and also we created the constructor which access the integer type of data. Then we have a method getValue which returns us the data which is integer type. Similarly in example 2 we have a string type data and we created the constructor which accesses the string data and we return the value which is also a string type of data. We will create the object for example 1 and example 2 and call the getValue method. Clear? So example 1, let's say ex1 new example 1, then example 2 ex2 is equal to new example 2. Okay, so we created the references for example 1 and example 2. This example 1 will accept which type of data? The constructor will pass integer type of data. So it will accept the integer data. Let me pass the data as 10. Here it will accept a string type data because example 2 class has the string type of data and it stores the value which is also string type. Clear? So we created the references for example 1 and example 2. Now let me display the getValue method of these corresponding classes. Example 1, then print example 2 getValue as well. Okay, so let me run the application and check what happened. Okay, so 10 and lip size displaying in my console. Okay, so I want to do the same operation but with a single class. So I need to create a single generic class and pass different type of data to it. Okay, so for this let me create another class. Let's say I am giving the name like generics demo. Okay, so to make a class as generics we need to add the type parameter like this angular brackets and the type parameter. So it will make this class as generic. Okay, so this class also have a data type like t type. So let me write like this private t in data. Here, so also similarly I will create a constructor for this generics demo. So it will access the t type data. Okay. And this dot data is equal to data. Clear? Then I will create the getValue method for it. Okay, so public it will also return t type of data. GetValue return data. Clear? So our generic class is ready. So we created a generic class to declare a data type which is also a generic type t. Then we declare a constructor. Also we define a method getValue method which return type is also t type. Clear? So we will replace all these example 1 and example 2 with our generic class object. Okay, so let's create the object for generics demo class. Generics demo1 equal to new generics demo. So it will accept a parameter which is a key type, so we can pass anything like integer, double, or float, or string. Let me give first integer. Then let me pass other parameter as well. Demo2, then demo3. Here. So in demo2, let me pass a string value. Here in demo3, let me pass a double value. Okay. And also let me display the get value method of generics demo. Right. So here demo1 dot get value, demo2 dot get value, and demo3 dot get value. Here. So let me run the application and check. Okay. So you have demo1 10, demo2 ellipsa, and demo3 10.2. So to make it more readable, you can do like this. The next demo, inside this you can pass the type also integer. You pass the string type of data. Here you can give the double. Okay, and here you can give the angular brackets as well. Here, so if you mark this one, the next demo, then angular bracket inside this your integer, the next demo angular bracket inside this string, then double. If you mark this one, it is very similar to the declaration of a array list. If you recall, see array list, like this array list we give the angular bracket, then let's say list is equal to new array list. Okay, array list, and this array list will accept only let's say string type of data. Okay, so this one and this one is very similar if you mark. Also you can put here like integer or double. You can put any data type over here. Okay, another thing, if you recall, when we create a hash map, it accepts two parameters, like one is your like this, one is your key and another is your value. How we can declare a hash map? Then new hash map. Okay, then your hash map ends. So that means it will accept a key and a value. A key may be like string, key may be your string, value may be your string. Also you have the key like string, then your value like integer. You can give anything over here. So likewise we can also make our generic class as to accept two parameter value. Okay, how we can do this? This is your hash map instance creation. Okay, hash map, then angular brackets, then your key value pair is accept the data type, then map equal to new hash map like this. So like this you can also make your generics demo class to accept two parameters. Let me go to the generics demo class. Here let's separate it with a comma, then give a value like b. Okay, that means this generics demo class will accept two parameters, one is t type and another is value type. Here also let's declare the variable which is a b type data, private b, let's say data1. Here you have to pass the variable as well. Here let me create another to display the b type of data. Okay, b get value let's say 1. and it will return me data 1. Clear? So if I go to my main method, and here it will throw me error because this Genix demo class accepts 2 parameters now. Here one is T type, another is B type. Here T type and B type. So if I change this one to, let's say, integer, then another integer parameter, string, and here also I can change like this. Double, let's say, string. Okay, I can give like this. Here accepts 2 parameters, one is integer, another is integer, like this. Then double, another is string, can pass like this. So if you check this one, this generic class instance KSON and the hashmap KSON is very similar, you can find out. Okay, so if I give just out to display the result, let's say I am printing, erase all these things. I want to print the demo 1 value. Which value I want to print? I want to print now the get value 1 value. Okay, that means it will return me the B type. B type means your second parameter, right? So demo 1 dot get value what 1. I want to print the B type value. So to display the B type value, we have the method in the next demo what get value 1. Clear? Let me save this one. It will also accept same 2 parameters. Okay, so let me run the application and show you. It will throw me an error like expected. Okay, there is some mistake here. It will accept 10 integer, then comma 10. Okay. Here also comma 10. Okay, so it will give us the 10, the second parameter. So here the data is same, so you don't see the differences actually. Let me print the demo 2 data. Demo 2 dot get value 1. Please rerun the application again. See, in demo 2 you have one string parameter and the integer parameter. The string is Lipsa and the second one is integer value. So we print the get value 1. That means it will return us the B type value. So B is our second argument here. So it will return us 10. Okay, similarly if I print demo 3 get value 1, demo 3 get value 1, then it should return me what? This one, lazy. Let me run the application. See, so it will give us the second argument, which is our B type, because get value 1 method return us B type data. Clear? How we can make a generic class to accept 2 type parameter, one is T and D inside your application. So you can visualize the generic method which accepts 1 parameter is similar to a list, array list, and generic method which accepts 2 parameter which is similar to a hash map JSON. Right? So hope you understand how you can create a generic class and how you use it inside the application. Thanks for watching. Thank you.